Hello creative crafty lovely, and welcome to my channel. I am here with some winnings from Denise, whose YouTube channel as well as Instagram is SoloCraftz, and she was hosting a giveaway on one of her tutorials. I went ahead and opened this up to take everything out with you, so let's go ahead and see what is inside. So here is a little cutout that she included, and in the back it has a message just congratulating me for the secret giveaway that she was hosting. And what she had done on her channel is that she actually did a tutorial on this beautiful box, and there is her sticker. And so yeah, and I was just, it's a great tutorial, but look at all of these beautiful layers. Right here there's a tassel, and look at those beautiful ribbons. But look at this right here, it says precious memories. There's a little flower, there's a little fox right there, there's a little gemmy, and here's a this right here is a butterfly, but it's also a gemmy. And then there's like a die, a gold die cut right here. And then there's some houses, and I think this is one of the Maggie Holmes collection. And then here to tie it up, there's some ribbon, and when you open it, this is what it looks like. And oh, this is just so stunning. Oh my gosh. So right here there are some cards, and with some envelopes that she made. And let me open these up. So here is the first card. It says thank you, and as you can tell, it is lined with gold. Right here in the background it says thank you, and then there's some little gemmies and a little heart. And these are all the same except just different colors. Here is one with pink and black and gold, and then this one is with white, gold, and black. And oh, these are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, very, very beautiful. And this one says thank you, and this is in like a dark mint color with gold, pink, and white. So very beautiful cards. And here is like the pocket, and this is very sturdy, very, very sturdy. And then right here she has some sequins, and I like how she wrote this out with letters, and it says sequins. So here is the envelope, and it's got a little Velcro right there. And here is her sequence mix, and I love these little baggies that she found. And I did ask her where she got them from, but these are really great reusable little baggies, and very beautiful sequins, as you can see. She did a great job, and it coordinates of course with all of the colors. And then here are some of the beautiful flowers, and these are just stunning, very, very stunning flowers with the little gemmies. And then she also included some dies, and she said she didn't use these dies, so she wanted to go ahead and pass them along. And that is the sewing machine. And then here are some of like the Julie netting dies. This is what they look like out of the package, and I think these are from AliExpress, I'm not sure. But so these are the dies that were included in there, and oh my gosh, so much yumminess right here. Oh. And I will have the link to her channel for the tutorial on this box down in the description below. That way you can go and follow her, show her some crafty love, and give her tutorial a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a beautiful day. Bye.